Come to the Royal Canberra show. The Canberra show. Welcome to the Royal Canberra show. 잠시만. 다리 쇼나 딤. Ya, Royal Canberra show na tahu je tu. Daytime na. This tu masuk hari tu evening na je tu. Evening time 3, 4 je tu. 3:30 je tu. Dan dah nak sede jadi segi acu green shirt. White shirt yang nanti si je tu. Tu roller ta ve jome. Aşkım disu, zanegi işin disu. Train baby hotel no disu great maru ani betu datu bejin gasta hoje to mashi ana şu ani bir me shing disu metna o shing disu show tem shing kaje betu ga ani green shirt gibi bir şey gacho çünkü musu esu daga ada nota hoje nogi breed disu left side panel. This could take a while. Look out, up you go, there you pig. Here we go, the green one, the purple, the green, the black, the green, the black, the green, The black pig's done a Bradbury, he's done a Bradbury here. And it was starting, that was last. Nobody gave that pig a brass. It was sensational, did you? Did you pick that, did you? Area, the ribbons are right there. We'll just let people get out of the rain. Come in, get out of the rain. Righto, that was budding sausages. Righto, hang on, the second was sausages, that was it. Ya, Royal Canberra show 가지고 두. Royal Canberra show. We'll get rest of the city. Oh, what a lovely day. Korea. Kale. Simcin. Izin.
They're baking, cooking all the time. So no delay for a hot dog. The gag was on. 30 is a wrap from the oven to you. We're ready now. There's no waiting. Hot donuts. Hey look, it's donut time. Hot and tasty donuts.
Trying to win. Unicorn? Yes. So we got a 3-game special. Look at that front. $25. You get 3 numbers to get your giant one. But if you don't get your giant one, you get anything on the bottom shelf. So you get your unicorn, guaranteed. Want to do that one? $10. No guarantee of prize. Must get the number. So try and get 6s. And ladies got 6, 8, 2 1s if you could. Thank you. Thank you for playing. Enjoy your day.